Alright guys, another little Honda video. Another little racer mod, I guess you'd call it. I'm going to be installing that neochrome bride e-brake shifter to match my gear selector. I know. I got neochrome there, neochrome lugs, got neochrome tow hooks, and the lower control arms, stabilizer brace, all that stuff underneath the car. Just adds a little aesthetics to it. But I'm going to do a little 5-minute DIY how to replace this. First, I'm going to pop it up, slide that back. Then you'll want like a pry tool, something you can kind of pry in there with like this. And then you'll just pry it up. Well, I just broke my pry tool. And then you just slowly twist it up. Now I'm going to get that off and I'll show you when it's done. Alright, I got it off. Now all you got to do, like I said, you just got to pry it up a little bit, wiggle it. It may be kind of tight, but persistence pays off. Alright, I'm going to set the other cover on real fast and I'll show you when it's done. Once you got your cover on, all you have to do is slide your new universal cover on. Sometimes the little push button that goes in the factory spot will come off, sometimes it won't. I just slid mine over the original, slid it where I wanted it, I set my set screws in, dropped it down over, and tighten it up. And then all you have to do is pull your cover back up and over and hide your set screws. Let me do that real fast and I'll show you when it's done. Alright, that's all there is to it really. Just a little quick and easy aesthetic mod to go in your car. Like, comment, subscribe.